Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? I wish that everything is okay. Just let's say I want to inform you that I will share this revision for you so that it can help you while revising and going through this revision. For grade 10 boys and girls, you are welcome. I promise that maybe this night or tomorrow I will prepare something for you before examining the mathematical exam. Okay, now we start. We'll start, my learners. We have question number one is deals with multiple question. Each question, let's say, carries 1 mark. Okay, for each of the following items, choose the letter of the correct response on the sheet. We move, let's say, and try to explain the first and the second and first multiple choice questions, and the extended question. The first question is the area of a triangle ABC in fact is given by a formula. This formula you already know that we explained this in the classroom, and try to memorize it, okay, because this formula would never be put into the formula sheets. So here area of triangle ABC is B times C sine of A, or BD times of cosine of A, or let's say we'll use a rule so that I can explain this for you. Okay, this one I will use. Okay, so or it will be equal to half multiplied by BC sine of A, or area is equal AB C sine of A. First of all, let's move to the second option. The area never be written in terms of cosine. Okay, so this is, you can exclude B, it's false. Then move to the area of this triangle, which is BC sine of A. This is in fact is gives 2 times the area. Okay, so this is also not true. Is it true if only if 2 times the area equal BC sine of A? Then move to the D, which is the product of the 3 sides multiplied by the sine multiplied by sine of A. So this is also, it's false. So we should, let's say, circle C, the sub question or the sub option C, which is half multiplied by the length of the 2 sides multiplied by sine of A. So the correct answer, learners, is what is C. Clear? This is the correct answer. Move to the next part. Here we have a matrix. Given this square matrix, I will just erase this one. Gives the following square matrix A, 2, 2, and 2 minus 2. We can see this square matrix has 2 rows. Okay, and how many columns? 2 columns. So in fact, if the question is dealing with the order of this matrix B, so you should write the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns, meaning the order here, learners, in your opinion, it is 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2, means we have only 1 row and 2 columns. But look at your matrix, you have 2 rows and 2 columns. So this one does not, the first option doesn't satisfy my answer. Okay, we move to the third one, which is C. 2 by 1 means 2 rows and only one single column, which is not true, of course. Then D, none of this. Okay, let's check the sub option B. We have 2 by 2 means effectively the order of this matrix, learners, is 2 by 2, simply because the order is the number of rows by the number of columns, and the rows should be the first. Okay, now we move to extend the question. Here we have triangle XYZ with X of coordinates -2, 0, and Y, let's say, -2, 1, and Z is 1, 10, is transformed into triangle X dash or X prime, Y prime, and Z prime by a column vector 2 4 means each point should move to the unit to the right and 4 unit up. I will just make the first x coordinates, the image of x coordinates. I will solve this for you, and the next should be done by yourself. The coordinates of x dash, or the image of x in this translation column vector, is done for you. So x dash learners is what? X dash will be equal to the coordinates of x dash is -2 plus 2. -2 plus 2 is 0. Then for the y value, 0 plus 4 is 4. So it's clear now. We can find the next. Let's say I will just make copy for this because I'm looking for finding its image in this column vector. Okay, so then I will use this row here. Maybe I will use it. Then I will come as okay. So I will just make a paste here. Okay, this is the point that I'm going to translate them. This is -2. The first y x coordinates is -2. Should be added to what? To the column vector, which is 2 4. This is 2 4. Clear? This is 2 4. Okay. Means each point should, let's say, will make rotation. Okay. Okay, like that. Then I make copy and Control V. Then I rotate this one also. Okay. So each point should, let's say, should move 2 units to the right and 4. 2 units to the right and 4. Let's start. I will write it here. So z. So we told I will add -2 to what? -2. I will add it to 2. It will be 0 here. Okay, I will just write 0. Then I will add 4 to 1, gives 5. Here is 5. So the image of y is y dash of coordinate 0 5. Move to z now. The point z1 should move to the unit to the right, means 1 plus 2 is 3. I will write here 3. For the second y value, this point z should, let's say, move 4 unit to the right. Gives gives what? Gives 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. So this is the correct answer. Clear? The next one, question number 4. Given the square matrix below, C equal 1 1 0 4 0 2, the question is calculate -2 multiply the matrix, or you are going to find when you multiply a matrix by a scalar. It's easy here. I will write my scalar, then I will multiply this by -2. Means what learns? Means you will multiply this matrix by 2. Clear? So this one is equal to, copy, I will paste here, equal. So I will make -2 multiply by -2 multiply by 1. Then here -2 also multiply by 0. Then here also -2 multiply by 1, and the last one -2 multiply by -2 multiply by 2. Then just calculation. This one should be equal to what? To -2 by 1 is -2, -2, because negative multiplied by positive gives negative, -2. This is a 0 because a number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then this is gives -4, and this one is this is -2, and the last one is -4. So now I finish it. Multiply this matrix by scalar. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now we'll move to the next one. The question is dealing with the determinant of the matrix. Okay, find the determinant. The keywords is determinant of determinant. This is the keywords. and also what is given is a matrix C. Your matrix learns is that. Copy. I will try to find the determinant. So determinant is equal to what here? I will make, yes. So C is equal. Look here what we'll do. Okay, I will make this one here. So to find the matrix, you are going to multiply the first entry, okay, by the second one. Clear? Then you should subtract, let's say you should subtract the second entry with the first entry in the second row, first column. Means you are going to multiply 0 by what? 0 by 1. So the answer is what? 1 multiply by 2, then minus, should subtract, minus what? Minus 0 by 1. So it's a clear simple calculation, it will be equal to 2. So now the correct answer is equal to 2. Now the next one, find the inverse of the matrix C learns. We told before that if you are going to find the inverse, you should divide your matrix by the determinant, then replace the first entry in the first row, first column, with the second entry in the second row, second column, and give minus to the diagonal, to the other diagonal. Means I will write here, I will just put this here. Okay, so okay, I will come back. This one, C minus 1, we told 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, multiply by the matrix, but I should write here 2. Means what learners? Means you should okay, we should what? Yes, we should, let's say, no need, Mr. Murad, this around, no need, halas. I will, please wait. Why I'm waiting? I'll never wait. Okay, yeah, really is this. Okay, what is the okay, please come. Oh my god, wow, great, I found it. Yes. Okay, means I really use this one. Why? No. So this one, I will erase this one. So here the 1 comes here and the 2 comes up. So I'll just write here 2 and down is 1. Then this one should be equal negative 1. Then multiplication, simple multiplication gives, so 1/2 multiply, half of 2 is 1, half of 0 is 0, half of minus 1 is minus 1 divided by 2, then half, let's say half multiplied by 1 is 1 over 2, is 1 divided by 2. Now I finish it, finding C minus 1. Clear, my learners? I wish that is correct for you. Okay, now the next question, I thought the last one, no, question number 3 is show all your working. Okay, move here, comes here. Okay, question number 5, if B equal 90 degree units, of course, and C is equal to 40 units, 40 centimeter, meter, I don't know, this is depends on the question. Prove that. Wow, what happened, Mr. Murad? We should prove that the area of this triangle is equal to 90 the unit square. Okay, 90 unit square. Okay, so it's easy. We will use, let's say, the formula. I will make 1 divided by 2 if you would like, multiply by BC, multiply by sine of A. This is the formula in general. Okay, this is area equal is equal to, just substitution here, it will be equal to okay, half multiply by 90 multiply by 40 sine of 30 degree. So equal also, what is half? 40 is 45 multiply by 40, and sine of 30 learners is equal to half. Sine of 30 is equal to half. I'll just multiply by half, 1/2. Okay, multiply, I will write it in the beginning, so half here, multiply, so this one is equal to okay, we told half 90 40 sine 30, it will be, yes, so this one gives us half 40 is 20 multiply by 45, so it will be let's say we told 90 divided yes, 40 divided yes, so it will be what? It will be learners 90 900 the unit square, 900 unit square, and this one should be 90 900. Okay, this is how can we solve this kind of questions. Just say you will apply the formula, okay, and you will get the answer. Of course, unit square. Just proving. This is it's called the reasoning question. Now study the triangle ABC shown below. A is 43 degree. Okay. Then let's say angle C is 40 degree, and AB, which is 10 centimeter. AB, what is AB? This is means C equal small c equal AB equal 10 centimeter. The question is solve for B. Just you are going to give the value of B. Here, my learners, I will use the formula, the sine rule ratio to find the length of. I will make B divided by sine of capital B. Okay, sorry, again equal. Okay, I will use equations. I will use this one, then copy. I will go down. Okay, so I will start here. I will write copy first, then instead of writing c minus 1, I will use equation tools, then I will use a fraction, symbol of fraction, which is numerator over over denominator. Okay, then I'm waiting for this one. Took time. So this revision, learners, it's done only for your sake. So I will just write here B divided by sine of B should be equal to what? Equal another fraction, equal what? I will use, we told, okay, I will use arrows first to explain something for you here. Arrows, okay, this one, okay, it works. Look, I made B divided by sine B, the opposite side to the angle is B, so I will make B divided by sine of B, then equal what? I should find another angle. Angle A is given, okay, and angle C is not given. Angle C is 40 is 40 degree, and angle B is not given. You can make B is 180 minus 43 and more minus 40. You can find the value of this. And C is so I will use small c divided by sine of the angle C. Clear? Okay, I will erase the rest. This one I will erase it. No, I will try to exclude this C. How? Yes, now I exclude it. Now we need to find what? You need to find C is 40. Okay, small c is a, b is 10, and b is not given. The angle b is not given, so angle b first. The angle b is equal to 180 degree minus the total of these two angles is 83, which is equal to 97 degree, 97. So substitution now. Okay, then I'm looking for what here? I'm looking for b, isn't it? Control V we talk. So small b is equal to c sine of the angle b. Then I will write here, I will erase this one, then I will write only b. So this is b, just substitution. We will again equal, copy, then comes here, make equal sign. Oh no, b, yes. So c is what? C is 10. I will just write 10 multiply sine b, we found it will be 97 degree, then 97 degree, then the small c, the angle c is 40 degree. Just you will use calculator, and try to find the value of this. I will use my calculator, learners. This is the last question. I wish the revision it's useful, and you can, let's say, this revision can reduce your doubts in using or applying cosine and sine rule. So it all 10 multiplied by sine 97 is equal to all divided by sine of 40 degree equal 15.54. Equal what? The answer is equal to 15.54 units. Okay, centimeter. Okay, thank you for listening. I wish the explanation for the whole topics, okay, will be included in the short test one. It's okay, we'll close this one. Okay, now we move to this part. So I told I wish that everything is okay for you, my learners. Now it's 36 past 1 a.m. Okay, the revision is done for you, and I wish that you can use this revision and you repeat it. And if you have doubt, don't hesitate to ask your mathematics teacher, Murad Sultan Zwidi. Thank you and goodbye.